Hi guys, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, my name is Ashley and this is my channel Braiman Home. I have a vintage booth in upstate New York called Braiman Home, and I've been missing off YouTube for a while, so I figured this is a good opportunity to take you guys along with me, refresh the booth. We can do a little life update, chit chat, and do a little catch up. So let's go. With spring comes rain. This is what we're looking like right now. Not too bad, but we're definitely due for a little refresh. So let's see what we can get done. Okay, I feel like I have so much to catch you guys up on because life has been a little bit crazy lately, but in the best way possible. So we just purchased a house with land and we're elated. We are so excited. This all started back, honestly, probably by my birthday trip, which is back in March. And this property that we're buying had actually been on the market for over 3 years. It was always one of those houses that I secretly dreamed of. I would check the listing every once in a while, but it was just out of our budget at the time. So I never really thought it would actually happen. So over the years, some of the acreage ended up being sold off and the price changed. And the timing was honestly, it felt so bizarre. Cody and I spent our first night on my birthday trip just talking about our goals, our future, the kind of life we wanted to build someday. And we were talking about land and projects, animals, slower living, and just all the things we've dreamt about for years. And the very next morning, I woke up to a notification that house, the one I had my eye on for 3 years, had dropped into our budget. And it generally felt like a sign from the universe. It was just so bizarre. And from there, everything just started moving really quickly. We scheduled a showing. We fell completely in love with the property. And before we knew it, we're packing up our house. We're trying to finish our house projects that we had going on at home because we planned on staying for 3 years. We had a 3-year plan. And then we're just getting all of our things ready to move. And then somehow in the middle of all that, I thought it was a great idea. Let's get some chickens. Let's get some baby chicks, which honestly, very fitting for us. We have a chicken coop there. Their baby chicks are available right now. So we pulled the trigger and we did it. And we love our baby chicks. So we are officially in the final stages before closing, which still feels so surreal to even say out loud. This home is truly a dream come true for our family. Cody and I have talked about this for years, just wanting land and a slower lifestyle and room for projects and animals and gardens and just building a life that feels really intentional for our family. To be stepping into something we've dreamt about for so long while our girls are still little enough to grow up in it, it just feels like the biggest blessing. I genuinely feel like this house is going to be such a pivotal chapter for us and Braiman Home too. And I'm really excited because I want to bring you guys along for all of it. The house projects, decorating, the homestead side of life, the animals, the gardens, while still sharing all the vintage sourcing, booth refreshes, and everything you already know and love from the channel. So definitely let me know down in the comments if you guys want to see more of that side of our lives, because it's going to be a lot of exciting changes around here, and I'm just really happy and I'm excited to finally be back and making videos and catching up with all of you again. So yeah, let me know down in the comments if those are some videos that you would like to see going forward. And thank you so much for your continued support. It really means so much to me to see you guys coming back and watching the channel. And I'm sorry I was missing for a while, but I'm excited for this next chapter. And I think you guys are really going to enjoy it. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed the refresh and, catching up and seeing where I've been. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button to join the Braiman Home family, and let me know down in the comments if you would like to see all the new changes that are happening, the do-it-yourself projects, the land, interior design, all of that. Let me know if you want me to include that in my content. So thank you for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.